Hi, my name is Michael Jung and I am from Stem Cell. This is my prototype of a coal bell system. And this is Yaping, a registered nurse and one of my mom's friends. And today I'm going to be explaining how to use it. So first of all, there are 3 buttons called talk, toilet and tea. They tell the LCD what to say and they tell the staff what to get. For the tea button, it says, please bring tea to room 123, or room 123 wants the toilet, and so on. But the talk button has something unique, like its name says, it talks. So you talk through this intercom, and it comes out here. And this is the box that the nurse is going to have. They can flip this switch back and forth to talk back and forth. They can flip it, and you can talk from there to there. But they can only talk back if they have the button held down. Well, usually it should come up with this and turn it on, but it doesn't work very well, see?
It works!
It just turns off straight away. And after a while, you can talk to it. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the resident's point of view and how the talk button works. So first, you press it, the buzzer should turn on, and the LCD should turn on, but this only works for a little while after you press the button. So to make you hear me, I'm going to say it out loud, okay? So in the room, you press the button and they go, help, I have a fall.
Hello, could you hear me? Could you hear me?
You have to flip back the switch. Yes, I hear you.
Okay, I can hear you as well. I'll come to you as soon as possible.